Good day again, grade 9. Here's another example of solving quadratic inequality. So in this case, we have y squared plus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. I-recall ko lang pala kasi hindi ko na i-recall doon sa kaninang video. Yung apat na symbol ng inequality. So this is less than. So pag nalilito kayo, ang diban trick natin is yung sa kamay. So yung letter L. Ayan. So mukha naman din siyang letter L. Then, this is greater than. This is less than or equal to. And this is greater than or equal to. Okay? Huwag pong kakalimutan. So, importante kasi yung na nababasa at alam natin yung ibig sabihin ng mga symbols na yan. So, balik tayo ulit dito. First step is to change the inequality symbol to equal sign. So, you will have y squared. Y squared plus 4y is equal to 12. Then from here, change it to standard form. So, yung constant term ay medyo naliligaw. So, lipat lang natin sa kabilang side. We will have y squared plus 4y. Lipat mo yung positive 12, magiging negative 12 is equal to 0. So, pick any method of your choice. Pwede naman mag-quadratic formula or mag-completing the square. Pero for the sake lang, since factorable naman yung equation, factoring na lang ang gagamitin ko. So since this is negative, ang keywords natin ay negative, minus, and like. So think of two numbers na kapag tinimes ko 12, pag minus ko ay 4. So ano yung dalawang number na yon? Pag tinimes ko 12, pag minus ko 4. And that is 6 and 2. Since 6 times 2 is 12, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So this will be y. This is y. Since your linear term is positive, ang positive ay yung larger absolute value, which is 6. Then this is negative. Then using zero product property, this will be y sub 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. And y sub 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Lipat mo lang yung positive 6 sa kabila, saka yung negative 2 sa kabila. This will be y sub 1 is equal to negative 6 and y sub 2 is equal to positive 2. Once na makuha mo na yung mga values ng x, pwede ka nang mag-draw ng number line. Ayan. So, draw na ko na yung number line sa aking table para save time na rin. So, this will be negative infinity. Then, let's say this is 0. This is positive infinity. Now, from here, plot lang natin si negative 6 and positive 2. So, si negative 6 will be left side ng 0. Since ito yung ating negative infinity, this is negative 6. Then, yung positive 2 naman ay nasa right side ng 0. So, ito yung positive 2. Now, since this is greater than or equal to, we will plot the points using closed circle. So, negative 6, positive 2. Ayan. Now, from here, identify lang natin yung tatlo nating region. So, yung first region mo is from negative infinity up to negative 6. Ito ay gagamit na ngayon ng bracket. Since we are including negative 6 sa region na to. So, ang region na to ay from negative infinity up to negative 6. Now, please take note na kapag infinite po, palaging ang gamit pa rin natin ay parenthesis since infinite nga yung tinutukoy natin. Now, punta tayo sa second region. Ito naman yon. Tandaan na, ito yung first region. Yan. Tapos, ito naman yung second region. Dali, palitan natin ang kulay. Yan. Ito yung second region. Then, yung third region natin ay ito. Okay? So, ayusin lang natin yung kulay na. Ayan. So, sa first region, we have from negative infinity up to negative 6. So, ito ay bracket. Then, sa second region, we have negative 6 up to positive 2. Sa third region naman, we have positive 2 to positive infinity. So, ulit, bracket kapag less than or equal to or greater than or equal to ang ating inequality symbol. Now, From here, pili ka lang ng test point sa bawat region. So, ang piliin ko ng test point para sa first region, so ang region natin ay from negative infinity up to negative 6. Ang piliin ko ay, sabihin natin, negative 10. Then, mula naman sa second region, which is negative 6 and positive 2, ang piliin ko ng value ay, let's say, 0. Then, doon naman sa third region, which is positive 2 and 2 to positive infinity, ang piliin ko ng test point ay positive 10 na lang din. Ayan. So, kunin ko lang yung dalawang factors niya, which is y plus 6 and y minus 2. So, same thing. Substitute ko lang yung pinili kong test point dun sa value ng y. So, that will be negative 10 and positive 6, or negative 10 plus 6, that will be negative. Tandaan, sign lang ang kinukuha natin kahit hindi natin kunin yung value. Then, dun naman tayo sa pangalawa, negative 10 minus 2, or negative 10 and negative 2, that will be negative. Then, pababa po, that will be multiplication. So, negative times negative, that is positive. But, substitute naman natin yung second test point natin, which is 0. So, 0 plus 6 is positive pa rin. 0 minus 2 is negative. So, positive times negative is negative. Substitute naman natin yung positive 10. So, that will be positive 10 plus 6, that is positive. Positive 10 minus 2, that is still positive. Afterwards, multiply. Positive times positive is positive. Once na kompleto na natin, interpretation na po tayo. Now, medyo mahirap pag i-interpret natin siya using this. So, ang gawin natin, ilipat na natin yung 12 para i-compare na lang natin siya sa 0. So, we will have y square plus 4y minus 12 is greater than or equal to 0. Now, tandaan mo, hanapin natin alin yung magiging true. Now, here, if I will substitute any values from region 1, which is this one, yung magiging result daw nito ay positive. So, any positive number, will it be greater than or equal to 0? Yes. So, that is true. So, true para sa first statement. Tayo naman doon sa pangalawa. So, pag magsasubstitute ka daw ng any value from this region, dito sa side na to, it will result into negative. So, since negative, is any negative number, will it be greater than or equal to 0? No. So, that will be false. Now, punta tayo sa third one. Pag nag-substitute ka daw ng any value from this region to this side, it will result to a positive number. So, any positive number, will it be greater than or equal to 0? Yes. So, that is true. Now, tandaan mo, yung positive numbers ay laging mas mataas sa 0. Any positive number starting from 1 pa lang, lahat yon ay greater than or equal to 0. Lahat naman ng negative number ay less than or equal to 0. Yun lang yung reference natin. Then from there, kunin na natin yung solution set. So our solution set for this equation will be, since kunin lang natin yung true, so that is yung region 1 and region 3. So, your solution set is from negative infinity up to negative 6 included. So, bracket. Yun. So, naalala nyo po ng grade 7, ginagamit natin symbol na to. So, negative infinity up to negative 6. Union of values from 2 to positive infinity. That will be all.